Basically there's the two parts that I did. One part was physio and the other part was the mapping process. So both go hand in hand. When you've done the mapping and you can get the movements, then I went down to physio and they would begin by stretching the body, and then after that we would use the stimulator and try and strengthen the movements. We put in like weights on my ankles and trying to carry out the movements and put more weight on each time. So like at the beginning I couldn't lift my own leg, whereas now I've put on 1 and 2 kilo weights, so it's looking good. For a while the mapping was difficult and it wasn't going according to plan as such, but then in the last few weeks it started to come together and the movements became stronger. So basically I'm going home pretty much satisfied that I can continue to progress in this, and hopefully I might return next year. I've seen a lot of progress with my core balance. Like before, if I was sitting on the bed, I would have had to hold my hands to be able to balance, whereas now I can lift my hands and sit on the edge of the bed. I've got a lot of voluntary movement in my legs. At the beginning, to raise my hip flexors seemed to be quite easy, so we worked at it, and finally we've got all the movements going the way they should be going. So yes, a lot of improvements, a lot of work left to do. Obviously everybody would be nervous, and, you know, some days when things aren't going so well, you're thinking, oh, this is maybe not a good idea, but then when at next minute you get some more movement and then it's like, oh, this is brilliant. So yes, it's definitely been worthwhile. Before I booked the treatment, I looked online and there's obviously pictures, and the first thoughts is kind of like when you book a hotel and the pictures look good and then you get here and it's completely different. But no, the pictures and the actual facility is all very, very good. It's probably the best hospital I've ever stayed in. The staff have been very, very friendly, make you welcome and feel like at home, even though the food isn't the same, but yes, you can still get whatever you need. It's very difficult with a spinal cord injury if you're trying to gain more movement every day and you're not getting anywhere. You know, you're trying to move anything and nothing's happening. But once you've had a treatment like this and I've gained more in 6 weeks than I have in a year, you know, it definitely motivates you to keep going. So if the treatment is available to you, you know, you should really go and try it, because it is worth it. I think the name of the company, Unique Access Medical, because it's a unique treatment and you can't get it anywhere else. The access is like the movement that you're gaining, and the medical part is obviously the operation, so it's brilliant. I had no infection or like wounds healed very well, and the surgery was all very good. I wouldn't be here only for all friends and family. So I'd just like to thank everybody for helping me to get to this treatment, due to fundraising and people that had came over with me to help me along the way. So I just want to thank everybody.